Coastal Georgia is a vibrant landscape of beaches, wetlands, and forests we proudly call home. From the Savannah River to the Satilla River, Georgia's coastline connects 100 miles of our coastal communities and natural resources. This network of undisturbed natural areas and open spaces is an example of Georgia's green infrastructure. It provides our communities and wildlife with vital services, such as clean air and water, habitat, food, and flood control. Green infrastructure allows for healthy ecosystems and plays an important role in managing rainwater. Plants and soil naturally slow down rainwater and cause it to spread, allowing water to soak into the soil. This process filters the rain and removes harmful pollutants. Eventually, this filtered water feeds into aquifers, wetlands, rivers, and coastal waters. Over time, our natural landscapes have been replaced with impervious surfaces, such as buildings, roads, and sidewalks. When rain hits these hard surfaces, it quickly flows off, failing to soak into the soil. The result is stormwater runoff, which can cause many negative impacts such as flooding, storm sewer overflows, and aquatic habitat loss. Runoff picks up harmful pollutants like fertilizers, chemicals, pet waste, and trash before being transported to our sewers and drains. Eventually, this polluted water is emptied into our rivers, lakes, and oceans as non-point source pollution, a type of pollution that accumulates waste from various locations. All of this occurs without the benefit of treatment from our natural landscapes. Pollution can make our waters unfit for human recreation, impairs drinking water supplies, and damages natural ecosystems. So, how can we help? We can implement green infrastructure practices and restore the ability of our landscapes to better manage stormwater by using plants, trees, and soils. We can help slow rainwater, enabling it to spread out and filter through the soil so that more water soaks into the ground. These are natural treatment systems that clean the water before it enters our waterways. Green infrastructure creates beautiful, sustainable landscapes, helps save money, and protects our coast's precious resources. You are an important link in this chain. You can reduce the impacts of stormwater by working to create and maintain green space in your community. Advocate for trees, vegetation, and natural water flow in your landscapes, parks, and public rights-of-way. Conserve natural areas and restore native vegetation along streams, marshes, and other coastal waterways. Reduce or eliminate the use of harmful fertilizers and pesticides, and seek non-chemical solutions. Keep our storm drains clear by responsibly disposing of trash, animal waste, and cleaners. Advocate for pervious surfaces, such as permeable pavers or gravel, over impervious ones, including asphalt and concrete. Create a rain garden that collects, filters, and soaks rainwater on site. Direct gutters and downspouts into permeable landscapes. With these green infrastructure solutions, we can revitalize our urban spaces, provide healthy communities, and beautify our community landscapes. We'll also boost our economy and protect our state's precious water resources and the ecosystems that sustain all living things. Let's work together to protect, preserve, and restore coastal Georgia's water quality and natural resources.